In this video, we'll be covering how to use AI to get more bookings from missed phone calls. So there is a voice AI feature on this software called High Level. I'll leave a link in the description. Everyone gets a free 14-day trial. And what it'll allow you to do is, number one, it can train itself on your business. So it can understand everything there is to know about your business. And why that's important is because there's a feature that allows the AI to pick up phone calls if you're not available to grab the phone call yourself. And we have to understand that the value in phone calls to a salon, let's say the average phone call to your salon that you pick up is worth $100, and on average you're missing 5 phone calls per day. So this is a $500 per day problem that you have, again, by not picking up these phone calls. And what the voice AI agent can do is, number one, train itself on your business so it understands your business hours, what you offer, everything there is to know about your service. So in the future, when you have these missed phone calls, the AI agent can pick up the phone, number one, answer questions about your services and products, number two, nurture the leads, and number three, book appointments. So it will literally have access to your calendar inside of the High Level software, and it will understand your availability. So if the person calling wants to book an appointment right then and there while they're on the phone, the AI voice agent has the ability to book the appointment right there on the phone. So now you essentially have a AI voice receptionist or AI agent receptionist, whatever you want to call it, that's now recouping some of the money that you're missing out on by not answering the phone. You have to understand how serious this problem is. When you don't answer your phone, a prospect is likely to call the next person, and if they answer the phone, now they get the business. So again, for those of you that are interested in trying out this feature, the software is called High Level. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. Everyone gets a 14-day trial for you to try this out. If you want to work with us personally and want to learn even more ways of how to grow your salon business and get fully booked, visit my website at igrowsalons.com. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up. Comment any questions you'll have. I'll make a video response. Also, subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching.